Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's try a Smith-Morra gambit. Right, maybe Moroxy Bind style. Stop Ng4s. Try and discourage D5. Alright, can I play for C5? Is that something here? Not really. Doesn't really do much. So I've taken the knight D5. Trying to win H7 after. What do you take with the rook? He takes with the rook. Play this anyway. Yeah, hold the C5 for a moment. It's a nice forcing move, maybe. Alright, open up this diagonal. Do I get to play D6 with a decent position? Half decent position. Queen D7 C6. C6 looks very powerful here. Blasting down this diagonal. That looks very, very powerful. Optimistic here. Queen D6, C takes. Oh, yeah, okay, knockout blow there. Short game. Yeah, some of the 1900s recently have been absolute killers, so I'm happy to win it. You can't really take note of the ratings too much. Anyone's pretty dangerous, it seems. Knight D5 there was mentioned. Yeah, this is a better opportunity for Knight D5, it seems.
Check.
Okay, that would have been good, but this is not so hot. If you took it here, okay, that might be equal-ish. Better for black, actually. Okay, but this... Okay, he's obviously blundered here. Could just take here, right? And apparently that's good for black. So this is I thought D6 was cool. This is apparently like that. Okay, right, that's a big gigantic blunder going into a forcing move. This just winning a pawn. I have to do this because otherwise the bishop's dropping off at the end of that. Okay, I'll be slightly worse here. Oh, what a miserable outcome that would be. So I'm just blundered, which is good. Some people still blunder the auto pairing. Okay, yeah, okay, all right, yeah, all right. Comments, questions. Thanks so much.